Slope, the rate of change of a linear function. The most common symbol for this is m. This is page 4 of your linear functions booklet, by the way. This line is a horizontal line. It has a slope of 0, m equals 0. This is a vertical line. It has an undefined slope, m equals d/e, for does not exist. These are parallel lines. They have the same slope. So the slope of the first line is the same as the slope of the second line. These are perpendicular lines. They have the boxes to show their right 90-degree angles. Their slopes give a product of -1. So the slope of the first equation times the slope of the second equation equals -1. These are positive slopes. These positive slopes are increasing intervals. The slope is always positive for increasing intervals. M is increasing when it is a positive number. These are decreasing slopes. These negative slopes are decreasing intervals. The slope is always negative for decreasing intervals. M is decreasing when it is a negative number. When determining whether a graph is increasing or decreasing, always read the graphs from left to right, just like when you're reading words. Now for our example. Given this formula of using 2 points, y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals m, and you're given the points x comma y and x1 comma y1. That's the same thing as delta y, which means the change in y, over delta x, which is the change of x, equals m, our slope. So for the example, find the slope of a linear function given the points 4, 5 and 3, -1. Reduce your fraction as needed. So let's go ahead and set this up. Let's label our points. Let's call this one x, this one y. Let's call the 3 x1 and the -1 y1. Pause the video, see if you can set this up and solve for it. Okay, you should have set it up like this. 5 minus -1 all over 4 minus 3. And that equals 5 plus 1 over 1, which is the same thing as 6 over 1. And 6 divided by 1 is just 6. So our slope m is equal to 6. This was page 4.